In today's video, we are going to be learning how to create a temperature converter program. This is part of the guide to programming in Java, so it's just a temp converter. And so essentially we're supposed to create a temp converter program that converts a Fahrenheit temperature to the corresponding Celsius temperature. Alright, so we're giving the formula for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, and that is this over here. The application should prompt the user for the Fahrenheit temperature, and be sure to carefully form the expression. And the reason why it's telling us to carefully form the expression is because you see how here there's these two brackets and then there's the expression. Yeah, that's actually very important because within these two brackets, when we're adding this in there, right, we're giving this precedence over this over here. All right, so we just want to make sure we do that. All right. So let me start off with Fahrenheit, height underscore temperature, temp I should just say, and that's just going to be an integer with an input of enter the weather in Fahrenheit, and then essentially all we need is the Celsius temperature, so I'm just going to say Celsius underscore temp. And that's just going to be 5 divided by 9, right, times, and then we're going to put these brackets so that we give this Fahrenheit temperature minus 32 precedence, because that's what it wants, right, minus 32 precedence. And then essentially we just need to print the Celsius underscore temp, right, save this. Let's go ahead and run this module. Okay, I should have probably added like a colon. I'll add that later. But for now, let me try doing 60 Fahrenheit. So I'm just going 60 F2C. It's like 15-ish. It's not going to be the most accurate, right? Because this is obviously an oversimplification of the formula, but it should be somewhere close. And as you can see, yeah, it's pretty accurate. It's actually more accurate than this, which is interesting. But yeah, that's it. That's all it told me to do, and there you go. One thing I could actually do is I can say your weather in Celsius, like this, right? And then just add like a comma here, which will connect these two things together, right? And let me try this again with 60, and as you can see, I get the your weather in Celsius, and it even puts a like space, which is represented by this, before telling us the Celsius temperature. So that is it from me here. Let me add this to my GitHub as well. So I'll go into my repositories, computer science 11, input and out, add a file here, add this, temp converter.py, and I'm just going to commit my changes for you right there. Alright, that's it from me.